Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and in this video, I want to talk about what is SEO marketing and how can it impact your business. Now, watch this video to the end because I'm going to uncover a lot of secrets about SEO and how you can use it to be highly successful in your business. Now, I'm going to assume something. If you're watching a video like this, you're a coach or consultant, an entrepreneur, or someone looking to start a business. Am I right? Well, if that's true, then this is the YouTube channel for you. So while you're here, do me a quick favor, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. I bring out new content every single day on growing, scaling, and marketing a business. Now, as we got that out of the way, let me introduce myself quickly. My name is James Nicholson. I've been in business for 17 years now. I've had all the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur. And during that time, I've created something very, very special called the Business Accelerator methodology. Now, this methodology helps you take cold leads and turn them into red hot buyers that buy from you again and again and again. Imagine how that's going to impact your business once you get that implemented. So join us on this journey because this channel, we will teach you everything you need to know to grow and scale a business. Now, first off, what is SEO? Well, this is a Google search results page. And I've typed in something here that we get a lot of traffic for, which is recovery loan declined, right? Recovery loan declined. And so when we do that, we type it in the magic Google box, and you can see these ones at the top here are ads. Can you see that it says the word ad there? So this one here is also an ad, right? Now these two companies, Blue Star Leasing and Recovery Loans, think business loans.com, these guys are paying to be there, right? So anytime anyone clicks on these adverts, they pay for a click, which is called PPC, pay per click, right? Now that obviously costs money, and it can cost between £1 a click, £5 a click, or actually some of the more competitive stuff is like legal keywords and stuff like that, could be as much as £15 or £20 for one click, right? Now, that's expensive. So we need to make sure that we rank down this middle part. And so this middle part down the page here is the organic results. These are organic results. And then there's more adverts again at the bottom, right? So these results in the middle, they don't actually cost you any money. So if someone visits your website via the organic results, you won't pay for a click. It's free traffic. So it's really, really important that you get there, because look, in my business, I get thousands of clicks to my website from that, and it really makes a big difference. So I made some content that's around something that people search for, and that's what you need to do with SEO, is create content that people are looking for, right? So if you're a fitness coach, you might put how to lose weight fast, how to find a personal trainer. How-to content is very, very good. This content here is around the recovery loan scheme decline. So tons of people are getting their recovery loan schemes declined. So what happens here is we search, we rank, we made some content around that. And this is my website here, recovery loan scheme rejected. Here's what to do next, right? And that's going to get people to click, right? And if they click on there, I have a blog post around this topic, right? And so there's a blog post with YouTube videos and all sorts of stuff like that. It's really useful for people. Cool, right? So that's what we're looking to produce here, is a piece of content that is useful for people, right? And so you need to brainstorm content that you feel people will search for. Now, we've also made this into a YouTube video, right? And the YouTube video also gets ranked. And so this is really useful, right? So I've got 2 of the results on this page, which is really powerful for my business. And so what we want to do is make content that people are looking for. So that could be landscape gardener Sutton, could be estate agent Dorking. You need pages on your website that are relevant to that, talking about that topic with really good content, and Google will start to rank you. So basically, what SEO marketing is making content that's relevant to what people are searching for, right? Now, look, if you found this useful, I've got something very, very special for you. So make sure you quickly subscribe to the channel, and can you give me a like on this video, because that helps with YouTube. But I want to get your SEO sorted today for just £1, right? £1. £1 is bonkers, right? And so I'd like to invite you to join my Business Growth Club. In the Business Growth Club, I've got tons of master plans, which are in-depth checklists and cheat sheets that you can use to grow and scale a business. There's one on SEO, there's one on Instagram, there's one on launching products. There's tons of them in there, and we're constantly adding new ones. And today, as you've watched this video, you can grab all of them, including the SEO one, for £1. And that will teach you exactly how you can rank here in the Google search results, just like I have. Right, it's the craziest deal I've ever done. Now, not only that, you'll also get access to all of my live trainings that I run every week called the Business Growth Clinics. And you'll get added to my community of hundreds of entrepreneurs just like you, where you can ask and get support, mentorship, accountability, and all that stuff you need to grow a business. So it's the craziest deal ever for £1. So in the description of this video is a link. Go and grab that now, and I'll see you guys on the next page. Thanks for watching. That's what SEO is. Now let's get this SEO implemented in your business. Bye for now.